yeah, I saw Mike Falzone make breakfast one day in his vlog, and I was like, hey, that looks like a pretty good breakfast. I want to make that breakfast, so I'm going to do that this morning. Good morning, YouTube. How do you do? My name is Monkey, and this is my vlog. So I gotta get the stuff out of the fridge. So I'm just gonna talk to myself for a while. I might cut it out of the vlog. Who knows? But we'll find out. We'll find out. We'll find out. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Bacon. Where the hell? Do we have bacon? There's the bacon. Good. Yes. Yes, that's right. So what I was gonna talk to you about this morning was I've been doing a detox. It's the 6th of December today. Yeah, it's the 6th of December, what am I on about? It's the 6th of February. I'm doing really well, I haven't had any alcohol. Jamie wanted to do it with me as well, which is really nice. Really, really happy with that he wanted to, you know, help and support a brother, a friend, yeah. I was happy with that, and yeah, it turned out that he already broke it. Yeah, the guy already broke his detox. It was only on the 3rd day he went out and drank alcohol. I haven't touched alcohol, I haven't touched any junk food, and I haven't touched, well, I've had caffeine, but I've only had caffeine in small quantities, like tea. That's all I've had. I don't have any of my like energy drinks anymore. I don't know if I feel better for it yet, but it's going okay so far. This could end in disaster, YouTube. This could end in disaster. But I'm attempting it. I'm attempting it. I need to bring the camera up because it keeps slowly falling. And I'm going to lower you down a little bit because I like it when you're nice and low near the cock. I think I'm doing alright with the detox. I'm trying to keep everything healthy. Obviously this isn't going to be a very healthy breakfast, but when I say junk food, I mean that I'm not going to order any like takeaways or anything for the month, and I'm not going to, if I want a pizza, I have to make the pizza myself, you know. I'm doing alright with it. I'm not a bad chef, but I don't think I'm a bad chef. Some people would disagree with me. They tend to believe that I am. I'm doing alright. The detox isn't going bad. Isn't going bad at all. Man, I don't know how Mike did this, like talking and cooking at the same time is actually really hard. I wonder if he made notes before he did his vlog. How many pieces of bacon should I have? 2? No, 2. That's a generous portion, I think. Eat a bacon! Mmm! Nom nom nom! I bet this is gonna make you hungry. I'm sorry if it does. We have bacon in the frying pan now. Everything's good. So yeah, I'm really loving this new house. Like it's not a bad house. I'm enjoying it a lot. So Jamie came down on the 2nd day. The 2nd day he came down to the living room and I was playing Mabel. And he was like, you know, I haven't been sad yet. I was like, that's a weird thing to say, dude. He was like, no, I mean it, I haven't been sad yet. I was like, that's cool. That's cool. That's really cool. Oh, I can't wash up. You're standing in my freaking sink. Why would you do that? But no, the detox is going great. I'm enjoying it. It's good. I can already feel the benefits of it. Like, I don't know if I want to keep it up. Oh, Jesus, frying pans are hot, man. But yeah, I have a spatula. Ching, spatula. I'm totally on this career path, man. I really want to get something because my dream isn't. It's a common dream actually. My dream for life is to settle down, have kids and have a family. But I want to be able to support that, give that family everything. It's not bad, at least I've still got a job at the moment, you know? I got a job at the moment, so it means that I've got lots of time. Found a job online the other day, right? It's a buyer for a company. So you go out and you have to buy stock that you think will sell. Do you know what the wage is? Salary, 65 to 75 grand a year. Very windy day today. It's a really nice day. You can probably tell by the sun gleaming through my back door. Which is always left open, by the way, if you want to call it a nap joke. I'm going to have some bread with my breakfast. So Mike didn't. I've never done scrambled egg in a frying pan before, so this could end pretty bad. So I'm going to attempt the one-handed crack of the frying pan. Ah! Do you see that? Do you see that? That was amazing. Well, you know what the best thing about the detox is that it's making me more cookable. And now it's making me cook more, which is good. Because I think if you cook your own food, it tastes better. Nice, that's pretty good. Pretty good. This is a weird vlog today, I don't know. It was hard, mate. I don't know why you inspired me to make this goddamn hard work. Thinking about what I'm doing and talking at the same time. Not a very common thing for me. I'm a man, I can't do more things no, I can't even do that. Look at that, my brain just farted. I'm a man, I can't do more than one thing at once, you know? Can't do two things at once, that's what women do. Sorry if that's sexist, but it's true. I'm not a multitasker, no way. Alright, just gonna make myself a cup of tea. See that? That's how much sugar I have in my tea now. Mike, you gotta tell me what this breakfast called so I can name it to the title. You know what's even harder is the fact that I've only woken up. Just woken up. So my brain's not actually on yet because I haven't had breakfast. I'm gonna call this the Mike Falzone breakfast. If you want to make one, it looks like this. Bon appetit. I've been a monkey. This has been my vlog. You knows that I'm going to close this vlog with my nose because that's the way a monkey rolls. Mike Falzone, thank you again for the inspiration. You do a good job at doing that. Keep doing it. I'll see you all later, guys. Bye bye. Peace out. Take care. Nose close.